Hello my friends, how are you doing today? This is the second video which I'm posting today, and this video is about laser eyes, about the red laser eyes. Yes, about this trend which started on Twitter. So I just uploaded my first video and let's get straight to the business. So this is my first video right here. It's fresh uploaded. The introduction where I explain you why I did this YouTube channel, because it's all new. So the trend with the laser eyes, what exactly happened? So the trend broke out on Twitter, and in regards that the Bitcoin believers believe and hope that Bitcoin should go to $100,000. Yes. So everybody who has this vision put the laser eyes. And a lot of people, they actually did it, like Micheal Saylor did it, Elon Musk did it, even a very popular congresswoman did it. Her name is Cynthia. Yes, Cynthia Lummins. So actually that's her. And then obviously some other people came up with some more upgraded versions of the laser eyes. So today I will not just show you some sample of those laser eyes, I will actually show you how we will create those laser eyes. And as you see, they are really cool. Yeah, that's the congresswoman. So that's all like popular people in the space. And also some who just think that it's cool, you see. And this is the profile picture. As you can see here, even I did actually mine. 1 second. You see? Here we go. These are my little laser eyes. Let's move this back here. Alright. Okay. So here's some more laser eyes examples. It's really a very funny trend, you know. This is the one which I did actually. And I will guide you in a minute and tell you how together we can do it. It's so easy. But before that, let's look into some more cool laser eyes. Now this is very funny. But where is the one? I saw one which was absolutely epic. People are very creative when it comes to those things. So this one we know from Elon Musk, and this even got upgraded even more with those laser eyes. Even the dogs. I saw somewhere some sheeps also. I think the craziness won't stop. This guy here riding some bulls with laser eyes. So cool, huh? Anyways, these trends are funny and I support them. And anybody who loves Bitcoin like me and hope that it goes to 100k should follow this trend. So now, how do we make those laser eyes? So this is the website here, as you can see, mimit.io. So we visit the website and it's very simple. You choose your picture. So let's choose a picture from my gallery. There are plenty of pictures here. Here with some big bosses. Alright, so let's take this one. This one looks fun. Okay. Alright, so let's put some laser eyes. It's so simple, guys. Just if you want to have the same eyes like Cynthia, you just pick this ones right here. And then you simply drag them on the spot. You adjust the sides. Boom. And then another one. And voila. 30 seconds and we have laser eyes. Isn't this amazing? And then you click on download and you save them. But I didn't like those eyes. Let's make a cooler eyes. Let's make shooting laser eyes. Wow, they look really dangerous. Alright. You see, guys, we're getting there. Together. Maybe the angle. Yeah, I think this one looks much cooler already than the one before. It looks like they are shooting, you know. So I hope you like it. This is the website. I will post it also once again in the description. If you like to support my channel, please sign up on FTX. I have a very special code which will offer you 10% additional discount on the fees. As you know, FTX is like probably the best exchange out there. Obviously it's not the biggest, but let's have a look here. You see Binance number 1, FTX is number 4. And the beautiful thing about FTX is really the fees are very low, and a part of the money actually which is traded, 1% of the net fees, all goes into charity. You see, all of the fees get donated to charity, and this is only like 1 week old. So guys, if you like it, sign up, my link below, have 10% extra discount, support my channel, and don't forget, get those red laser eyes, because even Carl Moon got them. You see, he got green laser eyes even, because Carl is from the moon. So thank you. And I completely forgot my intro. So this was me, Matthias Mende, presenting you the Professor Mende Show. Thank you for watching. Bye.